What if AI cost this?
What if I told you that you could get access to over 72 premium AI models, the same ones that cost $200 a month directly from OpenAI, for just $14.44? One time. No monthly fees. Ever. That's exactly what Chat5.2 AI is offering right now. And today I'm giving you my full honest review, the features, the pros, the cons, and whether this crazy low price is actually legit. Stay with me, this one is worth every second. Chat5.2 AI is a cloud-based, all-in-one AI platform powered by OpenAI, giving you access to over 72 premium AI models including GPT 5.2 Pro, Sora 2 Pro for video, ChatGPT Images 1.5, GPT Audio for music, and O4 Deep Research for writing. Now let's put the price in perspective. ChatGPT's Pro plan from OpenAI costs $200 per month, that's $2,400 a year. Chat5.2 AI gives you that same pro-level access, plus way more tools on top, for just $14.44 as a one-time payment. That's not $14.44 a month. That's $14.44 full stop. No renewals, no hidden charges. It's fully cloud-based, no downloads, no installs, and works on any device. You log in, type your prompt, and the AI does the rest. Here's what you're actually getting inside for that $14.44. 72 plus OpenAI models, full pro access including GPT 5.2, the same models behind the $200 per month ChatGPT Pro plan. Sora 2 Pro generates cinematic videos, YouTube Shorts, and TikToks from a text prompt. No camera, no editing software needed. ChatGPT Images 1.5 create and edit photorealistic images, graphics, logos, and social media content instantly. GPT 5.2 Pro code writing, build websites, apps, plugins, and games automatically. No coding skills required. O4 Deep Research write full books, SEO articles, product reviews, and newsletters in minutes. GPT Audio generate full music tracks with lyrics and instruments, sell them, use them in videos, or create podcasts. Real-time website builder, speak your idea out loud and it builds you a full affiliate website or sales funnel automatically. Affiliate platform integrations hooks directly into ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and 17 more platforms. Commercial license included, sell everything you create and keep 100% of the profits. All of this for $14.44. Let that sink in. Here's what Chat5.2 AI genuinely gets right. Pros. Unbeatable price, $14.44 one time versus $200 per month from OpenAI directly. The savings are insane. No monthly fees ever, one-time payment for lifetime access. No surprises on your bank statement. Truly all-in-one video, images, audio, writing, coding, and web building in one dashboard. Beginner-friendly, no tech skills needed. Type what you want, the AI delivers. Commercial rights included, create and sell to clients, keep all the money. Minus 30-day money-back guarantee at $14.44, the risk is basically zero. Cons. To be fair, here's what to watch out for. Advanced features have a learning curve, the basics are easy, but tools like the voice website builder take some practice. Prompt quality matters, vague inputs give average results. You get out what you put in. Needs internet, fully cloud-based, so a weak connection will slow you down. Possible upsells after purchase, like most JVZoo/Warrior Plus products, expect optional upgrade offers after the initial $14.44 purchase. So who is Chat5.2 AI actually built for? Affiliate marketers, content creators, freelancers, bloggers, e-commerce sellers, and entrepreneurs who want to build or scale an online income using AI without paying hundreds per month in subscriptions. My verdict? 8.5 out of 10. And honestly, at just $14.44, it becomes a near-perfect score from a value standpoint alone. You're getting 72 AI models, video generation, image creation, music, code writing, website building, and a commercial license for less than the price of a meal. Even if you only use one of these features regularly, you've already gotten your money's worth many times over. Here's the thing, this $14.44 price is a limited time launch offer. The sales page already has a countdown timer running, and once this deal closes, the price goes up. So if you're even slightly interested, now is the time to act. The link is in the description below. I've also pinned it in the comments. Click it, grab your copy at $14.44, and lock in lifetime access today. And remember, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. At $14, you've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. If this review helped you, smash the like button and subscribe. I post new tool reviews every single week. Drop a comment below, would you buy an AI platform for $14.44? Let me know. See you in the next one.